Hey AcuFam, let's talk about something really important right now. And I am bringing this up because I'm getting messages about these kind of topics from the practitioners, and I really want to talk about this publicly. We just started some construction out there. Okay, you are under absolutely no obligation to let your patients know whether you have gotten it or not. I'm going to use the word it so that we avoid censorship, because this is a very important video. Never, ever, ever, ever have we ever had to disclose any type of personal medical information to our patients. Ever. No doctor ever does. Not any doctor. Ever. I just said ever like 10 times. So if a patient wants to know, then they will ask you. And I made a whole other video on how to speak to your patients about your choices and decisions, and you can find that on my YouTube station. It's called, I think something like Compassionate Conversations for you know what. I'm gonna say the trigger words. So when a patient asks you, absolutely speak your truth, speak from the heart. You always want to make sure that someone has the full information, and then they can make a decision whether that what they want to do or not. You know, if a patient wants to leave your services because you have not gotten it, then that's okay. You know, because they're going to feel more comfortable with a practitioner that does have it, and that's great. And you're going to attract in patients that want to align with your values and mindset, and those patients are really looking for you. So make sure that you are openly speaking your truth and spreading the word of what you're welcoming into your office. They really are trying to find you right now. Secondly, in the state of California, there is a mandate for healthcare practitioners to get it. However, as we know, acupuncturists are excluded. So I had a practitioner ask me, is it my obligation to tell my patient that I don't have it, because they might assume I have it because they haven't read the fine lines of the mandate? Absolutely not. 100% no. Your patient's assumptions are not your responsibility. Someone can easily ask you if they are that concerned. Again, never have we ever had to disclose personal health information to our patients about anything. Do not get caught up in all the guilting and the shaming and the aggression that's going on out there right now, because you have done absolutely nothing wrong. You have done nothing wrong. So remember that. Stay grounded in your beliefs. You know, continue being loving, compassionate, amazing, healing the world practitioners that I know you're being, and keep healing the world. All right, I love you guys.